How to make your videos and pictures more personalized. You can try our new features. First, choose the video you want to edit in the album, and then click the filter icon. Here, you can find 25 new filters. Click it. Then you can add the filter you want to your video to create an amazing blockbuster. If you want to adjust the resolution of your video, click the resolution icon on the upper right. Here, you can choose to export the video with original image quality to retain the highest resolution of your video. You can also adjust image quality as needed. Support export of 4K videos at up to 60 frames per second. To facilitate the management of your storage space, the estimated file size can also be viewed during adjustments. Next, choose the picture you want to edit in the album and then click the sticker icon. Here, you can find more stickers available. Click it. Then you can add the sticker you want to your picture to create interesting picture effect. Our picture editing also supports resolution adjustments. You can click the resolution icon on the upper right, define its resolution, and then store it as needed. These are new functions of video and picture editing we want to share with you. Give them a try if you're interested. Feel free to drop your comments and suggestions in the comments section. We'll be sure to respond promptly. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the flip side.